All right, so these are the answers for your assignment for 6.2. You should have uploaded this already. So let's go over these together really quick. So number 1 is no, 2 is no, 3 is yes, 4 is yes, 5 is no, 6 is no, 7 is yes, 8 is yes, 9 is no, and 10 is yes? That doesn't look right. Hang on. Yeah, 10 should be no. So don't panic. I'm sure some of you are. But yeah, number 10 is definitely a no. All right, so the number 11. So we're doing 1 times 0 to get 0. -3 times -1 to get +3. Then 1 times 2 to get 2. -3 times -3 to get +9. -2 times 0 is 0. 2 times -1 is -2. Then -2 times 2 is -4. 2 times -3 is -6. Then you combine those answers, so you get 3, 11, -2, and -10. 12, you have 5 times -1 to get -5. -3 times 2 to get -6. 5 times -1, nope, sorry. 5 times 2 is 10. -3 times 6 is -18. To our next row, we have 1 and -1 to get -1. 4 times 2 to get 8. And then 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Combined to get a final answer of -11, -8, 7, and 26. So there's 11 and 12. All right. So 13. Ooh, I don't know why the book, probably where I took a picture of this on a kind of slant. Sorry about that. So again, we're going over and down. So 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. -2 times 1 is -2. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times -2 is -6. -2 times 3, also -6. Then you have -1 and 0 to get 0. 1 and 2 is 2. 0 and 1 is 0. Then -1 and 1 is -1. 1 and -2 is -2. 0 and 3 is 0. So your final solution is 4, -10, 2, and 3. All right, at this point, I'm not going to go through each of the rows because you can look and see here how they get multiplied. So remember, you're going across, then down. So first row, first column to get here. First row, second column, first row, third column. When we move to your next row, it's second row 1, second row 2, second row 3 to get here. Then third row 1, third row 2, third row 3 to get these. So your final answer to 14 is -3, 3, -2, 1, -2, and 2, 0, 12, and -16. All right, 15. You get -7, -4, -2, 2, 4, 5, -7, -2, and 6. For 16, you get -17, 1, and 32, 0, -3, and 0, 4, -8, and -2. For 17, you get 9 and 36. For 18, you get 14, -7, -16, 10, and -19. For 19, you get 14, 10, -10, -4, 10, 8, -2, and 8. And then for 20, you get 4, 5, and 34. All right, I also have these posted as a PDF on this day, so if you want to go, if you missed one, go through it slowly and double check your work. Again, you all should have posted your completed work on LMS so that you can get a grade for it. If you don't post it, I can't grade it and I will put in a 0. Not I'll turn it in after spring break. I need it turned in today. All right, so you guys now need to work on page 194, 1 through 14, and post that as well. Post this under Tuesday, and then the 1 through 14 on Wednesday. So that's just a short review of 6.1 and 6.2 that you all need to complete and post today.